And that's for the left table. And for the right table, these are the properties parameters that you want to show on this picture. You can upload everything. You can visualize all logs. For example, like this one, and then new again. All right, you understand? So by doing this, I upload, I visualize all these log properties, but that's not necessary. I don't want to have a BC plot. I don't want to have BC picture too crowded, because the main thing that we want to do on this section is geological layering, and we don't need all logs shown in front of us to do the geological layering. Okay, so we will just pick some most important logs to be shown. And in this case, I will show this one. This is the gamma ray. GR is gamma ray. I want to show the gamma ray log on the first track. And then US fit is the delta time. Okay, compressional delta time. I want to show this data on the second track. Okay, so this one is GR, gamma ray, and the second one is the delta time, compressional wave. And then we don't need actually the this one, the resistivity. Okay, it's not that important for geological layering. I don't need as well the density, bulk density. DTS, we can skip it, but I need Poisson ratio. Okay, it's dimensionless. So first I want to click this one, none. I want to show the Poisson ratio on my third track, KPR, Poisson ratio. And then I want to show the static Young's modulus on the fourth track, and then overburden stress on the fifth track. Okay, so you can see this linear trend, it's overburden stress. And then on the sixth track, okay, I want to show, of course, the pore pressure. This one, the pore pressure. I mean, that's for the, yeah, for the sixth track. Okay. And then for the seventh track, of course, I want to show the stress profile, horizontal stress. Okay, so these are the 7 logs that I want to show. And I want to use these logs mainly based on the horizontal stress. I want to do geological layering. And the main section to do the geological layering is in this section. Okay. And to do the picking, we can click this one, click this button, and then pick layer tops. Okay.